For more videos, visit forthesakeofeducation.com.
Alright guys, let's do this a bit of a confusing problem. Took me a little while to understand what they want you to do. So they have a torque wrench of length ABC. Now I use the torque wrench because I am a mechanic. So basically the torque wrench calculates the moment that it creates and it shows you that moment right here. So the moment that the torque wrench is gonna show you, let's call it empty. This is empty is the moment that it shows you. It's going to be the force that you're applying at the handle times the length, because that's what the moment is, and that's what a torque wrench does. So what you do is you're going to solve for that force, and you're going to get that the force is equal to the moment over the length. Now what they want you to do is, if you have an extension, sometimes when you have a torque wrench and you're a mechanic, you need to get an extension to either get more torque or to reach a place that you can't reach for whatever reason. But if you use an extension, then what the torque wrench is showing you is not really valid, because a torque wrench calculates it's a tool designed to show you the moment around point A, not around the point if you would add an extension. You know that the moment that you will be applying, this is not the same moment that the torque wrench is displaying, but the moment that you would actually be applying to the nut or whatever it is that you're turning, is going to be equal to the force that you're applying times the length plus d, which is the distance of the extension that you have. Well, you solve for f right here, and you're going to plug this into this value to be able to get the required scale reading, which is what they want you. They want you to get a formula for what the scale would be, because normally the scale would be F times L, but if you use an extension, this formula is no longer valid. So they want you to find a new formula. So we're going to replace F by what you have right here, which is mt over L times the L plus T. So the formula for the required reading, it's M. Actually, this is M. Yeah, this M, you got to solve for MT. M times L, because you multiply by, over L plus D. So we plug this into the force of the new formula, and then we basically show for the reading. Remember, MT is a reading on the torque wrench, and M is the actual moment that it is creating. Final answer.
Please comment below if you want me to do any problems, and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.